Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, uXolani puts up the status saying, see you soon, my wife, at Uvuyokazi Mliweni, heart emoji and something like in love type of emoji. So I guess this is him saying which he's coming back soon. Remember, I spoke about an event, that there's an event that he needs to be attending, but I believe the event is in September and it's towards like the 29th, around the 29th, if not on the 29th of September. So I guess Ukai is, planning on coming back a bit early. Angazi ukuthi mega city, see you soon. My wife, if he's talking about like something soon, but I mean, okay, it is something soon because he said something soon. But when I saw this, you guys, I just thought to myself, Haibo, itrame ngaga. I was just like, I personally feel like the status that he put up was so unnecessary. I'll tell you why I feel like it's unnecessary. Because I feel like he knows how his wife, number one, is a very well-known and loved public figure, and he knows how their marriage is of public interest to guys, that when he puts up a status or when Uvuyekazi puts up a status, I mean, everything is still fresh. Everyone is looking at their marriage and their statuses ngamehlo abovu. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I feel like him putting up the status is him wanting us to speak about something that he's coming back soon. And it just made me think, Olani, am I the drama or are you the drama, sir? Because at this point, it looks like you are definitely the drama and that you actually enjoy this attention. And that's what made me think, guys, that even those voice notes, I'm like, I low-key feel like they are planned. I am starting to feel like this guy is so strategic in, getting public attention. Yeah. And another thing that I actually saw on his profile, I saw what he put wife to Uvuyokazi Mliweni. He put her name underneath his profile. Now, I remember someone putting up a comment on one of my videos, and that person made a very valid point. The person was actually saying, guys, remember uXolani, he's a qualified chef, and Uvuyokazi is just a content creator. So the way we are going on, is as if uXolani, like there's something that he can steal from Uvuyokazi. She is just a content creator and he is like he's a professional in his field. And whilst that person might be right, guys, but let me tell you something. The world of social media, you guys, is a very powerful field. I can tell you for sure off the bat that the amount of money that Abo Vuyokazi and a lot of these people are making on the reality TV shows is a lot of money, guys. It is beyond the type of money that even a lot of managers in professional fields receive here in South Africa. That's what I'm saying. And I said to you that when Uvuyokazi put up their tick underneath her Instagram profile, it really meant that she's taking herself as a brand seriously. And I feel like uXolani might be, helping her with that, because I feel like he has kind of fueled the news and fueled a lot of things that is, going on around us talking about her. I don't feel like uXolani wants to intentionally like keep their life private. Though Uvuyokazi did publicly say that she does want to keep her life private. But now when you're a public figure, you guys, and you want to make money on social media, you've got to give the people what the people want. Well, not exactly, but you've got to give them something. The world of social media, guys, there is so much money to be made. That's why I said I don't foresee Uvuyokazi ever having to work an office job or having to even work a profession, because the amount of money that she's probably made on Izingane Zestembu isn't, she won't get it if she goes to an office job. I remember Utando from Izingane Lengani when she spoke about the money that she gets. And I think her mother was basically saying maybe she gets around 40,000. And Tando was like, 40K is way too little for the amount of money she gets. way too little. And maybe it might be different. I heard someone saying that they actually get 80K. Guys, there's a lot of money that's to be made here on social media. So while Xolani might be the profession, uzothola ukuthi Vuyokazi maybe makes something slightly less than him, but I know it's not small money. Number two, Vuyokazi has the capability of making much more money than Xolani, you guys, because of the influence that she has. And I have a feeling that we are still going to be seeing much of Vuyokazi, except she's going to be strategic in this case. And listen, I've always said this, that Vuyokazi Tirelo, make your money. Like, don't just let your business sit on your indaba zakho sit on social media for nothing. So even while Vuyokazi, we talk about it, guys, we're making her much more famous than she actually is. When we're viewing their statuses, it increases their engagement, and when they get to speak and negotiate with the brands, this engagement actually plays a huge role in how much they're getting paid. So I don't think, that thing of Xolani is like a professional and Vuyokazi is not. I really don't think it's the case. If you are big on social media, like as Xolani said in one of those voice notes, if he was really being truthful, that, the exposure that he's going to be getting from Vuyokazi, he's thinking for his kids, or he's thinking on a larger scale to make money. He really can. Guys, his social media has even grown ever since the whole rumor of him and Vuyokazi started. Ever since the rumor of Vuyokazi and him came out, his social media grew. I didn't even know whom Chef Xolani was, but now some of us, we know him, guys. We are talking about him. So that is the power of social media. So Vuyokazi is not a nothing, guys. She really is a big deal. So by him actually putting her on his profile, that is a big deal, guys. But anyway, Sobanangai, guys, I know definitely we're going to be seeing snippets. We're going to be seeing something, because it looks like Olan is like, listen, my wife, let us milk this content creation thing. And listen, kudos to them, you guys. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.